What's good, y'all? I'm back with another spirited video. But I don't know why I laugh. I'm just excited to share this because, like, just think of all the things that as kids growing up, people used to tell us not to do. Like, the purpose of the video is I'm gonna be talking about why they told us not to cross our eyes, because I was just looking outside, just trying to focus, trying to mess with my vision, like how I see things, like kind of distort the matrix. And like I crossed my eyes, right? When I crossed my eyes, I was wondering, like, how is my eyes making me see blurry, like making this see like, and what it is, it's really not blurry. You're seeing into the spiritual realm, because if your third eye is open, most likely, if it's opening up, I don't know about if it's fully open, because I don't think mine is fully open, so I can't speak on that. But when it's opening up, you can see like static, and if you close your eyes, it's kind of like blurred lines and kind of like static as well. But let me get to the point. Like when you cross your eyes, I'm gonna do it in this video because I'm gonna show y'all. Probably gonna look wild, but it's alright. It's for the video. Tell me where my eyes go after I cross them. Alright, comment the answer. So if you get, bruh, my video just randomly cut off, so I know I'm on to something. So I'm finished. So if you guess the third eye, then you're right. Like, it makes a triangle too. If you know about the pyramids and all that stuff, it's not no coincidence how your two eyes look right here. So like I was playing around because as a kid I used to always see movies like X-Men and Green Lantern, and I would try to act like those superheroes for some reason. I know it's not just me. Everybody else feel this way too. They would try to be a superhero. But I was with my cat just now, and I was just trying to see if I could like project a message or light or something, because she's sleeping. I wanted to see if I could like mess with her. Like, it didn't work, but I was just figuring out by crossing my eyes where my eyes are pointed, and it looks at the third eye. So I don't know much about this, but it's just something I just wanted to talk about. So if anybody that sees this can do further research or try something themselves, and yeah, let's learn more.